Crude oil daily forecast, May 16th, fxempire.com. The crude oil markets, the light sweet crude oil markets, that is, plunged really during the session, sold off quite uh, savagely, and then bounced at $92 to form a nice looking hammer. This hammer sits just above the $94 level, and it looks now, looking at this chart, that 92 is trying to assert its supportive nature in this chart. And now we think that perhaps this market is trying to form its summer range, and we think that's what it's been doing for some time, but now we really are starting to get some clarity. 98 looks rather resistive and perhaps even as low as 97 because you can see back in here it was as well. And maybe that's what we're doing. We're trying to find a $5 range between 92 and say 97. That being the case, above the top of the hammer, it's a buy signal for us, but we would be quick to take profits, probably around 96.50 just to get out of the way. Overall, though, we think this market will continue to be choppy, and therefore it's going to be difficult to hang on to any position for any serious length of time uh, either way. Looking at the Brent market, very similar situation. We sold off during the day. 101 turned out to be just a little bit too supportive, and we bounced back uh, really just under 103.75. This is a hammer that looks much stronger than the other one. However, having said that, we are also cognizant of the fact that you could, in a lot of ways, call this a potential bearish flag. We're not really in that camp at the moment, but that possibility is still there. We also see 107 as being far too resistive, probably starting at 106. So we think a break above the highs would be a short-term buying opportunity, but really not much more than that. Overall, we are negative on both of these markets for the longer term, and as a result, we'll be very quick to take profits on the long side.